Hi, this is Ray with Spray Wash Exterior Cleaning. Today we're bringing you scenes from the cleaning of the 1st District Court of Appeal located in Tallahassee, Florida. Due to the complex nature of the landscape design of this property, we had to utilize both bosun's chair and lifts to achieve the optimal cleaning here. This property had a great deal of wasp nests, as you'll see from the photos, and we were able to remove all of those. This is one of the premier state-owned properties in Tallahassee, Florida, and it was truly an honor and a privilege to be able to clean this prestigious building. Included a few photos from the cleaning of this, so please sit back and enjoy the show. Remember, whenever you have exterior cleaning needs, please call Spray Wash Exterior Cleaning or visit our website. Remember, whenever you have exterior cleaning needs from 1,000 square feet to over 100,000 square feet, give Spray Wash Exterior Cleaning a call. We are Tallahassee's premier exterior cleaning experts. Look for us online at spray-wash.com or call us at 850-320-6364.